If you look at this card, you can see a man standing on a tall castle wall, looking out at the sea and the mountains. In his right hand, he holds a small globe. This shows he is thinking about a bigger future, like new places, new opportunities, or a different path in life. In his other hand, he holds a wooden stick, while another stick is fixed to the wall. This shows he has a choice between staying where he feels safe or going somewhere new. He has already built something strong, but he has not moved forward yet. He has the world in his hand, but he is still deciding what to do next. He wears an orange robe and a red hat. These colors show passion, confidence, and the desire to take action. The castle wall is strong and made of stone. This shows safety, stability, and what he has already achieved. The sky is clear and the water is calm. This shows it is a good time to think and plan for the future. The suit of Wands is connected to the element of fire. It is about action, energy, and moving forward. Overall, this card is about planning your next step and deciding what direction to take in life. This is the Two of Wands card. If upright, yes, but you need a clear plan first. If reversed, feeling unsure, afraid to move, or stuck. Career, business, studies. If upright, you are in a good place, but you want more growth. It is time to think about your next step. In career, you may be thinking about a new job, a better role, or a different path. In business, it can mean growing your work, expanding ideas, or reaching more people. In studies, it can mean choosing your future direction or higher goals. If reversed, you may feel stuck or confused about what to do next. Fear may stop you from trying something new. You have ideas, but no clear plan yet. Love, relationship, breakup. If upright, you or your partner may be thinking about the future of the relationship. This can be about making plans or taking the next step. It shows support for each other's dreams and goals. If reversed, there may be confusion about where the relationship is going. One person may not be ready to move forward. There can be different life goals creating distance. Health. If upright, you are thinking about improving your health. It is a good time to plan better habits step by step. If reversed, you may be delaying taking care of your health. You know what to do, but you are not starting yet. General guidance. If upright, think about your future and make a clear plan. Do not stay in your comfort zone for too long. You already know what you want. Now take a step toward it. If reversed, stop overthinking. Do not let fear stop you. Take small steps and move forward slowly. So, the Two of Wands tells you to think beyond where you are now, to look at all the choices in front of you. You already hold the vision in your hand. Now it is time to decide what you will do next.